definition of sexy. Please give me no less. Nobody taking your place. Emotions, all of these feelings just don't make no sense on nobody.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Effie and I bring you videos on travel, lifestyle and everything in between. It's been such a long time that I've been on YouTube and I just felt the need to come here and share with you what I've been up to, why I've been so quiet, why I haven't been posting, all the stuff that's been going on in the background. I've missed you guys, and you know, sometimes when you're having a lot going on in the background, there's been so much going on, and I just said, you know what? I need some time off. So I'm slowly going to come back on YouTube, but I'm obviously still taking my time. I've missed this space and I hope every one of you out there have been okay. So basically this video, obviously from the title, you can tell what I'm going to be talking about today. We recently relocated from Nigeria to the UK, and the process has been, honestly, it's been a long process. It's something that really wasn't in my radar for a while, because again, this is not my first relocation, and anything to do with relocating is
a lot of work,
especially when you're relocating with children. So this process had been taking such a long time, and it would not have been possible, one, for God, and then two, for the support of my older brother. I was too stressed to even record some of the things we went through, and obviously I'm going to do another video if it's something that you guys want to watch and you guys want to learn more about. I'm going to give you step by step on how the process went, because one of the main reasons why I'm coming back on YouTube to talk about this relocation is because it would be very selfish of me to take a lot of knowledge from what people did out there and then just not share my journey as well, because a lot of you out there has shared your journey, which helped in guiding me, giving me information, giving me a lot of things that have gray areas. Without those videos, I don't know how confident I would have been, or you know, certain things where you have questions and you're looking for the answers, and sometimes Google doesn't give you the specific answer to the question you're looking for. So the process is not an easy one, and it is not a cheap process as well. It's something that if you want to do it, you need to start saving as much as you can. You know, it was heartbreaking for me to leave Nigeria because I more or less, Nigeria is my home. You know, whenever I travel, I always find myself missing home, coming back and moving back home. But this time around, it was just so heartbreaking for me to actually start the whole relocation process again, because the economy back home is honestly something that is so heartbreaking. I mean, there's a worldwide recess going on where things are becoming expensive, things are becoming unbearable, and it's not easy for anybody anywhere. So nobody should give you that whole mindset of thinking that, oh, if you move to a particular place, then there are roses and gold you can pluck from the tree. It's not true. It's a big lie. However, you find that some places are not as stressful, not as neck-choking, not as crazy as others. And this formed part and parcel of the reason why we decided to just relocate. I relocated as a skilled worker, working in the health and social care industry. Moving down with children is not easy. Even now, we literally just arrived a couple of weeks ago and we're still trying to find our feet. As I said, it is not easy, but I give God all the glory because I look forward to starting this journey over here. You know, even if you look through my videos, even though I haven't been the most consistent of the lot, you would see that I was flying the flag for Nigeria at one certain time, one certain period. You can form an idea of that. The flag for Nigeria, the flag for Africa. Nigeria will always be my home. Africa is my land. This is heartbreaking. The way things are just sort of, for me personally, because obviously my story is not anybody else's story out there. So I'm only sharing my experience and what formed part and parcel of my decision to relocate. I've always been one of those people who loved being at home. I didn't vlog a lot of the process because, as I said, I was very stressed, but I took bits and pieces of the journey and bits and pieces of the process, which I would be sharing with you as we go through this. And I just want to give a big shout out to Jenny's Hub because she really helped me in watching her videos, really gave me a lot of insight. And also Temi A. I will link both their channel descriptions in the video. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I can't wait to come your way next time with my UK vlogs. So do have a great day. Stay blessed.
If we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could...
So this is just a few days before we left, just trying to do some packing and cleaning as well. It's been such a stressful time and we were just trying to do a little bit of organizing.
Run it back, if we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run all of the things I did?
You know, so on this day, this was moving day, this was packing day. It was so stressful. I couldn't even do a lot of recording because we had people coming in and out of the house, carrying all the furniture. This was a few clips that I could take and it was very nostalgic to see all of the furniture leaving the house. I mean, this was my home for a while. It was very nostalgic to see the house empty like this.
I had to get out down the road inside of the same old, the same old, caught in the circles round they go. It's hard when you keep close, rewind with my eyes closed. I need a
So we stayed in this Airbnb in Wuse 2. I will leave all of the contact details on the screen. It was such a beautiful place and I would recommend it to anyone who is visiting Abuja.
Get lost in the B-roll, let all the wind blow to learn how the world goes. We didn't know how to move on. If we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run it back, if we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run all of the things I didn't know? I had to get out down the road inside of the same old, caught in the circles round they go. It's hard when you keep close, rewind with my eyes.
So as I said earlier, I wasn't able to film a lot. I just don't like filming in the plane. It's such a private moment and I was so tired looking after the kids and making sure they eat and having bathroom breaks. I just couldn't do the whole filming in the plane and all of that.